Hi, my name is Peter Kaczynski and I'm a 4-year Shine Squad member. I'll be taking you through a day in the life with me here in New Jersey. When I was 14 years old, my dad bought a BMW project car that the two of us worked on. Ever since then, I've been hooked on cars. Other people see cars as a way of transportation, but I see them as an extension of me. I feel like my cars are a representation of myself, and I enjoy bringing them back to life after hitting a road. Whether taking my Jeep on an adventure off the beaten path or cruising to the next photo shoot, I'm always on the go. Return home and make sure to give my cars a proper cleanup inside and out. I got into photography and cinematography just a few years ago, and it was only natural that I combine my two passions. Wherever I go, I'm always looking for potential projects to add to my growing collection. I'm always able to see the potential in a car no matter what shape or condition it's in. I know that I have turtle wax on my side to help me rejuvenate and execute my vision for when I purchase a new project. Make sure to subscribe so you can see the next day in the life video brought to you on this channel here. Hit the like button, comment below, and we'll see you on the next one.